Yo, what is up, gamers? Playing more ARAM Mayhem on the VAaRUS, as in the double A. I really like Twice Thrice, actually. Am I going lethality? I think I have to go lethality. Ooh, money? I love money more than I love damage, not gonna lie. Am I buying that? Nah. Give me this.
Thank you for contributing to my expedition.
Huh? Give me the money. My bad, cuh. Scouting is a thing. Someone has to get excited. Oh, it's the Shaco. Throw all your spells at the minion. Okay. No way, okay. I did hit him back, I guess. Ooh. Oh! Okay. I hope he eventually eats someone. Throw all my spells on the minion wave. Ooh, scary. I'm afraid of you, Bard. Oh, I don't hit her there. I'll get one touch. Okay, Ezreal. Ooh. Oh, he is excited now. And now he's not. Ka-ching. Why did I turn around? Ooh, dog water. I'm a utility AD carry, I guess. I kind of want to buy the Cutlass. I'm not gonna lie. Because it has move speed on it, and move speed is so good. But like, hang on. Oh, Shine. I got you, funny man. That hit! That's fucked up. I'm dead for sure. Damn. Money? Money? We love money. Fuck the minions. To the clown, there he is. Wow. That Looked like it hurt. Get out of that. It's pretty obvious which one the real one is. Yep. Damn! They threw the house at me.
Your ally has been slain. You put him in their place.
Damn, bro, they really did throw a lot of shit at me, eh? Chillax, boys. What was I building? Opportunity. Move speed is good. Gotta throw my spells at the wave. Ooh. Damn, I'm dead for sure. Unless. Okay. Bad hit. Damn. $92. I was low, eh? Over here somewhere. Why? Oh, that almost saved my ass, actually. Ooh.
Your ally has slain an enemy. To see my revenge.
Unluckers. Let me see how much this does. Oh, nothing when he's full life. He kills those in one. Let's go. Oh. Thought that was up. Bam, I'm dog water. My whole laptop did not like that. Yo. Thing. Get this fucking thing off of me, bro. That hits? Or was I just the last one to hit? I need a money. Okay. Give me the money. Okay, we get there. Holy shit. That was bad. Money? I love money. I will build this cutlass. Fuck it. It has all the stats I want, and the active is whatever. Oh, hello, funny man. Don't know if I needed to use it there, but I did dodge a spell with it, so fuck it. Malignance. Okay. He wins these. Oh, he doesn't. Flashed over the Q and he'd win those. My money.
I'd like to see that again. Your ally has slain an enemy.
And cupcakes. Oh my god, I could just play the mini game instead of playing the game. What's this? Oh, it's a little legend. Flash? What? Bro, what item builds out a pickaxe? Oh, this builds out a pickaxe. This. Do I want either of these? Should build this.
Your allies decorate the seabed. Your ally has been slain.
Damn, he's sending it. Yeah, come on, funny man. You know I want to fight. Nope. Nope. Wonder what's better here, but this scales more. So fuck it. Brother is playing Draven for sure. Sometimes you run at them and that's all you can do. Maybe you could have pressed E. Give me that shit, baby.
Your ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Oi, oi, oi!
Everything's got an end. Aced.
Bigger number. God damn it, bro. Sure. I mean, that's probably actually worth a lot. This is probably worth more than attack speed. Attack speed is a good stat for me, but the defensive stats are stats that, like, I just couldn't get otherwise. Good luck, soldier. Oh, he knew. This time had come. Ow. Brother's pissed. Oh, it's the Draven. I mean, your augments are not great, but you have fucking Sword of the Divine. You can't be that mad. I will take this over AP. Holy upgraded collector. What the fuck? There's no trap in that line? Ah. Dude. I have to flash this. Chill. I feel like AP is better than haste still. I like this. Ooh. I only have 90. 100. Come on. 90. 100. Oh, I didn't see. Draco has 100. You are so annoying, bro. Get the fuck off of me. 100 as well. I'm basically true damage on everyone. God damn, you got a lot of shots, don't you? Okay, now I'm definitely doing true damage to people. Yep, every single champion. 600. Funny man. Come on now, funny man. He's dead, right? Yep. Come on, funny man. Nice. Should I buy some health? Nah, fuck it. Should I buy health? Should I pick health? I guess I should say. Oh. This guy picked armor? That's fucked up. You dead? Not yet. And I can't collect. Fuck, man.
Your ally has been slain. Your ally has slain an enemy.
I like this more than AP. I haven't even really been using my W, honestly. At least not like properly. Damn. GG's.